Dear St. Andrews School student, greeting of the day. This is Dhanbir Singh, your GK teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Dear students, this is the 5th chapter from your Unit 1 of General Knowledge book. This name of chapter is Food for Animals. Okay, there are two types of animals, herbivores and carnivores. First of all, let us discuss what are herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are the animals which eat food to remain. Animal also eat food to remain. ठीक है. Some animals, herbivores, we call them herbivores because they eat grass and leaves. They eat grass and leaves are known as herbivorous animals, and carnivorous animals are which eat flesh of other animals. Okay, flesh of other animals. The animals which eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores, and the animals which eats grass and plants leaves, those are known as herbivores. So look into the picture and downwards write name herbivorous and carnivorous. Okay, if you see in this picture, there are some herbivorous animals like elephant, deer, cow and goat, and carnivorous if you take tiger, fox, cat, dog and vulture. These are the animals which eat flesh of other animals. Okay, now if we move to next part, that is bird's home. Okay, a bird nest is a place where it's lay its egg. Bird's home, like we used to live in houses, in the same manner birds live in nest. The place where they live is known as nest. Okay, here some birds and their nest is, you have to match them with descriptive by writing the correct letters. Okay, like first one, a vulture makes its nest with grass and leaves and feather. So what you have to do is, here you have to write in front of it, like, and the second one, hint is given to you, a tailor bird sews stitches together to make a nest. So here, like one, you have to one, the correct answer is B. What is B? A tailor bird sews leaves together to make the nest. In the place of one, you have to write B here. In the same manner, if we look into the two one is, if we find two, a beaver birds beeps its nest with leaves and twigs. So this is beaver bird, dear students. If we look the point 2, it is beaver birds. A beaver birds its nest with leaves and twigs. So you have to write the, in front of 2 you have to write C. Okay, the correct answer of 2 is, the 2 picture is shown here and the correct answer is C, that is. And in the same manner, third, if we look into third will be E. Okay, what is E? The third, if you look here at the bottom of this tree, there is one, what is this? This is a killdeer makes it nest on the ground or on the ledge. Okay, in the same manner you have to complete this, fill in the, match the following in your notebook. Now if we move to next, now here what you have to do is, just you have to write this facts knowledge park in your notebook. Let's learn about this amazing fact. You have to write these facts in your notebook. I can give you this in examination in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay, now what you have to do is read for mushroom are non-green plants that we eat. Now non-green, these almost we have learned that green plants we used to eat, but the mushroom are non-green plants. If you look into the color is different, but we used to eat it. This now second one is Venus flytrap is an insect plant that trap the insects which side on the edge of its leaf. Now picture plant is a shape of picture, it catches insects and its curved shaped leaves. If you look into the picture, it is known as picture plant. Now Sandalwood plants has tentacles that have drop of liquid which look like a dewdrop. Okay, so these are the fact you have to write in your notebook. Now if you must know about these also. Next page number 13. uh, Write down this in your notebook. First of all, write anglerfish, underline it. Then what is anglerfish, dear student? Anglerfish has a thin spine that attracts small fishes with a quickly globals up. Now porcupine has more than 30 quills. It shakes its body to spurt squeals at its enemy. In the same manner, camelandon can change color to the camouflage itself less than 20 seconds. Now polar bear has a white fur which helps to merge itself in a snow-capped land of Arctic. And if you look into zebra has a black and white stripes which help to hide in the shadow of the grass. This is a pattern looks like grass. It will help shadow of the grass. Now surgeonfish possesses a razor like spines at the base and its tails that produce deep cuts. What are octopus? Octopus had 8 arms. How many arms octopus have? Octopus have 8 arms. It squirts out a dark ink to confuse its enemy. So dear students, write this in your GK notebook, these facts, and learn it. These facts are very important. Thank you, dear students.